We've always been using our hands and fingers for counting, taking notes, and various other stuff. Technology expanded and we started using gadgets. People always say that everything is at our fingertips, but it was never so. Not until now. Not until Fin. You see, for the past few months, we've been working on this amazing product called Fin, the first of its kind gesture-based control for all your devices out there. Unlike other gesture-based devices, which are tiring and boring to use, Fin helps you to control any smart device just by moving your thumb over other fingers. Fin is a Bluetooth-enabled device which can control a variety of smart devices. For switching a device to another, all you need to do is tap on your finger. Fin makes life simpler. Now, everything is at your fingertips, and it feels like having magical power. Its possibilities are endless, for playing games, to changing lives for many, to taking business presentations. Fin also comes in handy while you drive. You can answer calls, control the AC and music system without even moving your hands from the wheels. Fin is really amazing when it comes to taking photos or sharing files. And Fin works well with head-mounted devices. Fin, wear the world.